Hey guys, I'm Summer. Today we will talk about RF lightning arrestor, and also later I will show you how to install it. As you guys know, that is very dangerous that when the lightning hit the antenna, so we might need this to protect your antenna from being attacked and also make sure the signal transmits smoothly. Installed between antenna and base station, transient voltages are prevented from damaging equipment. These products are equipped with DIN-type connectors, N-type connectors, F-type, SMA type, TNC type, and BNC type connectors, and provide excellent protection against both lightning strikes and transient voltage picked up by the cable with limited signal degradation. All are available with both female to female connectors and male to female connectors. N-type lightning arrestor is compatible with signal from DC to 4 GHz and uses gas tube technology. Gas contained in a capsule between the inner and outer conductor of the coaxial cable ionized. During a surge event and safety diverts the unwanted energy to ground, gas tube products pass DC and can be used in applications that require DC power to run on the coaxial line. Quarter wave arrestors are each compatible with a different frequency range. They all use quarter wave technology. The quarter wave stop is changed from a band pass filter, short-circuiting surge events and sending them to ground. Quarter wave products are more robust and can handle higher surge events than gas tube products. Unlike gas tube products, quarter wave products do not pass and act as a shock. They should be used in applications that do not require DC power to be run on the coaxial line. That is the brief introduction of RF lightning arrestor. And now I'm going to show you how to install it. And we are not near the base station, so we just take this as a small example. First of all, you will see there are two sides of this lightning arrestor, and it needs to be connected with the connectors. And also there is the small terminal needs to be connected with the grounding cable. Okay, the signal comes here and goes there. When the lightning hits the antenna, the electric current might through the grounding cable to the ground, so that it can protect the antenna from being attacked. Okay, by the way, the high frequency of lightning arrestor will make sure the signal transmits better. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you are interested with our product, please just visit our website www.chinahdg.com. Thank you, bye guys.